Actually, hindi ko napanood yung interview. But, yun nga, I guess, inamin niya na siya ngayon dun sa video. And, hindi ko alam, I don't know how to react to it really kasi una, hindi ko naman problema yung issue. It's not about me naman eh. So, as far as I'm concerned, Jasmine and I are okay. And I think, I'm glad he knows his mistake. Na he was good enough to admit to it. Hindi nga, naintindihan ko naman siguro kasi syempre pag bata, minsan, marami kang masasabi or na hindi mo namamalayan. So yun. Yun lang naman. As far as I'm concerned, okay naman.
So yung i-clear lang natin na okay kayo ni Jasmine, hindi naapektuhan ng relationship?
Hindi naman. Not at all. Kasi, wala talaga kasing kinalaman din. Wala kinalaman si Jazz. Wala rin naman kinalaman sa nangyari.
Ano ka ba sa kanyang advice?
Hindi ko alam. Siguro, he just has to be more careful. Siguro. Kahit yun, minsan kahit alam niya ba, kaibigan niya yung mga kausap niya. Yun, syempre yung isa pa dun, kaibigan ko. So, yun lang. Syempre, minsan with the words that we say, sometimes we have to be accountable for it. And we have to be careful.